Welcome to the second Eye Ergo tutorial video. Meanwhile, Sam is concentrated behind his computer. Like everyone else, he also needs a short break from time to time. Sam applies the Eye Ergo in different ways. Option 1. He lets the marble move back and forth 20 times. Option 2. Sam keeps the Eye Ergo comfortably horizontal in front of him. He lets the marble go from left to right in a controlled way, keeping his head still. In option 3, a combination of option 1 and 2, Sam holds the Eye Ergo diagonally in front of him. In this way, the eyes perform a combination of far close and left-right movements. Good job, Sam. Now back to work.